Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the 2021 Amazon Fire HD10. This is the straight up black one. This is just black. This is 32 gigabytes, so this is your base version of it. When these first came out, we did do an unboxing of both I think I had the green, the olive, and then we also did the plus version. So this is going to be just the black version, because I actually ended up returning those, but I've now since decided to rebuy them. So we just went with the black ones. That's all that Best Buy had in stock near me. I was hoping to get the blue, the denim, but so I know there's an easy way to do this. Yeah, you just rip that off. So I do like Amazon's packaging. They're nice and simple. Because I believe they're supposed to be using less, supposed to be more eco-friendly these days. So there that is. And then you also get the charger with it. I'm not sure what wattage this is. 9 watt. There we go. 9 watt charger. So and then there's USB Type C. Right, pretty much everything's gone to these days. And there's also a little pamphlet in there. So again, this is just the straight up black. Or it's just called black. Black. So of course your Amazon Smile camera up top there. So they moved the camera over here, so being up top. Then you have your dual speakers, which are Dolby Atmos. So one there, and sorry, it's a little bit dark. Well, there's one here. It's just a bit dark. All right, then we have our volume rocker with the power button, dual mics, USB Type C is there, headphone jack, so you still do get the headphone jack. Here is where we have our micro SD slot. I believe this can do up to 1 terabyte now. The old ones were 512, and really nothing else. Alright, so plug it in and it turns on in just a second or two. Alright, so we got it all set up. So this is what you get when you first open up your new tablet here. So your Amazon stuff, which is, well, pretty much all of this. So Shop Amazon, your Silk browser, which is Amazon's internet browser, the Amazon App Store, Prime Video, Amazon Kids, some different utilities there. Kindle, Amazon Music, Audible, News, Photos, Games, Amazon, you know her name, Goodreads, general email, so you can add in any email you want to this email. So of course we're adding in Gmail. Your camera, because you do have one here and then also one on the back. Your of course settings, Kindle newsstand, all your different files that are on here, which I don't really have anything on here yet since we just bought this. And then you also have you also have Microsoft Office here. So the only thing you can delete is Office. And I do not want Office on here. Those who do not know, you actually also have Amazon's own document, spreadsheet, and presentation slideshow. That's the word, slideshow, right there, which is under your utilities and then under your documents. Then you also have these. So yeah, that's what you get when you first get this. And of course you have your For You stuff that it recommends for you, and your own library here as well. So for those who do not know, you can get the Google Play Store on here. Amazon doesn't really want you doing it. I think even on the website for this new device, it says you cannot get it. But in reality, you can. Don't know how, just Google how to do so, or go to my YouTube channel here. I have a few videos on how to do so. Usually takes about 5-10 minutes, but I might need to try it a couple of times on these newer devices. Yeah, so that is just an unboxing of the 2021 Amazon Fire HD10 in black. So again, this is black. Thing I did not mention is this has 32 gigabytes of storage. You can also get a 64 gigabyte version. And then this also has 3 gigabytes of RAM. But if you get the Plus version for about $30 more, you get 4 gigabytes of RAM. This time I decided not to go with the Plus version because looking at different websites like Best Buy and Amazon's own website, most people are buying this version. So for in the future, when I do comparison videos with this tablet compared to other tablets and games and whatnot, we'll be using this guy because that's what most people buy because it's a bit cheaper apparently. That's why people buy it. I should also mention I bought this for $100 with my own money, of course. $100 on sale. It's normally $150. The Plus version was $130, normally $180 at Best Buy right now, but not on Amazon for some reason. Just at Best Buy, I saw it, and also Target too had it for. I think also Meijer, just not Amazon for some reason. They did not have their own device on sale, but everywhere else does. So $100, normally $150. All right, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.